Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains correlation and how to do it with Excel. Calculate the correlation coefficient. So in Canvas, you have the written description of correlating foot length versus height. You have a video clip. You have the Excel chart file. And when you click on that, and here's where you submit it. The next thing is where you submit it. So if we click on the Excel chart, download it, and then click on it here, it will open up Excel for you, and you need to enable editing, and then you will have all of the data that we've collected so far on height versus shoe length. You can select that, click and drag until you have it all, and then let go, and then you insert a scatter plot. And I would do it without the lines. Let's change the scale because nobody is below 50 inches. So let's have the minimum be 50 inches. Double click on the scale. That helps you see it a little bit better. We could do that same thing with the shoe length because nobody has a shoe length of 0. And we need labels. Hey.
Hey, so Mike, who's back from the page?
And we have the height as well. Then we select with our left mouse button the data. Right button, we get an option to add a trend line. And we display the equation on the chart. And we have the R-squared value. The R-squared value is the correlation coefficient squared. We'll go ahead and make that large so you can see it. Oops. Okay, so an R-squared of 0.43. Well, an R-squared of 1 would be perfect correlation. An R-squared of 0 would be no correlation. So there is some correlation. The R value, if I take the square root, R would be 0.6. So there's some correlation. But it's not a great correlation. Anyways, so that's what you want to submit in Canvas.